My name's Steve Prince. I'm the driver for Prince Racing, and I'm going to show you why I like to use aDP rivets. Alright, one of the reasons why I like these is you can see how tight they pull against the back. I used them on my spoiler here. Didn't even use no backup washers. So you can see how they pancake. They just pinch real tight, and they all pinch the same, so they look real good. I'm going to show you on this panel here. This was on my car last year, and as you can see, it's been through a lot. None of the paint came off the rivets, so all the paint stays on the rivets real good. It don't come off, so that's definitely a good thing about them also. Okay, I'm going to rivet this panel here on my car, show you guys how tight they really pull, showing that I'm actually using that. This here is the Ultimate Racer's rivet. It's got the 2 lines in it from the way it crimps. And now I'm going to show you how this works. Here, as you can see, no backup washer, and I'm doing it on my roof, and as you can see, it's been drilled out from last year. These are good at the 1/4 inch hole, and I'll show you that they still pinch real good and work good in a bigger hole. There. We'll go down here. Open this hole. You can see where the panel's sticking out a little bit. Just shove it in. Let's zoom in right here. Watch it pull it in real tight. You don't even have to shove real hard. The rivet does the work for you. That's what I like about them. Once again, my name's Steve Prince. I like to use aDP rivets. You can see I use them all on my car.